You've got a credit card. You're making the minimum payment every month, and somehow the balance never really moves. Here's why, and nobody breaks this down for artists and gig workers specifically. When your income isn't steady, a credit card doesn't just become convenient, it becomes a trap. Because a missed payment, or even a late one, hits different when you don't have a check coming in every 2 weeks to catch it. The interest compounds every single day you carry that balance, not monthly, every day. Here's the move. Attack the highest interest card first, before extra savings, before subscriptions, before anything else. That card is literally charging you to owe it money. Kill the interest first. Second, if your income comes in bursts, treat every check like a debt payment. Take 20% from every gig check and put it straight to the balance. Not savings yet, the balance. Third, stop using the card while you're paying it down. I know that sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised. You cannot fill a bucket with a hole in it. Freeze the spending. Attack the balance. Just remember, it's never too late to change your situation and pay your credit cards off faster.